Good morning, everyone. Every two, every three, and every four. This is Inangdubai. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to bake a red velvet cake. Yes, a red velvet cake. Please subscribe and press the notification bell so that I can notify you with my new video. Happy birthday po sa iyo, Preacher Aaron Mark Tolentino. God bless you po, Preacher. Our word of God for today ay makikita sa Romans 10 verse 13 to 15. At sabi dito, whosoever shall call upon the name of the Lord shall be saved. Verse 14, how then shall they call on him in whom they have not believed? And how shall they believe in him in whom they have not heard? And how shall they heard without a preacher? And how shall they preach except they be sent? As it is written, how beautiful are the feet of them that preach the gospel of peace and bring glad tidings of good things. Thank you po sa pakinig ng salita ng Diyos. So this is flour, and we got sugar, we got baking powder, we got baking soda, salt, and we have this one cocoa powder, and we mix all the dry ingredients. So with the dry ingredients, we just mix it, and after that we set aside, and we go to our wet ingredients. We got apple cider vinegar, vanilla, and we have a food coloring, melted butter for eggs, and we have also the vegetables oil. Now we're going to mix these wet ingredients. First, we're going to put the melted butter. Then, after that, we put the sugar in. Now, just slowly we put the sugar to combine thoroughly with this butter, melted butter. We just continue, wait until the mixture get in. Now we drop the egg one at a time to combine with our mixture. Oops, we got 2 eggs in. It's alright until all the eggs they are already put inside the mixture. Actually 3 eggs will be okay if the eggs are large, but this is a smaller egg, that's why I make it 4. We just continue with the mixtures. After this, we're going to add until it's smooth. Then I will put the apple cider vinegar. Then the 6 tablespoons of food coloring, red food coloring. I just combine it there to mix the colors so red and beautiful color for the red velvet. We just continue mixing this one, and now we are going to put my vanilla essence. Our dry ingredients. These alternate dry ingredients and milk until our mixtures become smooth. And after you can see that it is smooth already, like this, we're going to put in the oven. Now we're going to bake our red velvet butter at 180 degrees and 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so we bake it. Now our red velvet cake is done. We're going to cool this for a while, set aside. At this point, we are going to make our frosting. This is the original frosting of red velvet cake. First, we put the 450 grams of butter, room temperature, the soft one. And after that, we put let it smooth for a while. And after you get it smooth, like this, it's indicate that we are ready to put our confectionery sugar, the icing sugar. And then we just make it stir until it's smooth. After that, it will smooth. At this point, we're going to put our mixtures of milk and flour that we've been cooked, and it's cooled down. Now we're going to put at this moment, we're going to put so it will increase the smoothness of our frosting. So that's the one I'm putting now. The mixtures of milk and flour mixture together. So we wait until the mixtures smooth enough to spread in our red velvet cake. At this point, I think our frosting is ready to spread on our cake. Now I'm going to put in this one. So that I put the cake, I'm going to move it to serve as a glue for my cake. After at this point, I'm cutting the cake, the excess of the cake, so it will flat for the second layer that I'm going to put. After this, I cut the excess of the cake. I will do. This is the excess of the cake that I've been cut. Now I'm going to make into cake crumbs. This one we're going to put at the top of the cake when we're going to arrange it afterward. Now we are going to assemble the cake. This is the first layer. Now we're going to put the second layer of the cake. We put all the frosting at the top, so I can design this cake with the, I mean that we need to cover all the cake with this frosting. Now we cover all the cake with the white frosting. We're going to sprinkle all the cake crumbs that we made just now. We just cover at the top and afterward at the bottom.